Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to connect to existing advanced ETL processor repository once installation is completed. This video was inspired by the post on our support forum. So here we have advanced ETL process installed. So what we need to do, we need to click maintain and click options. On the top on the screen you can see current repository connection details. So default repository is MS Access. So what we want to do, we want to click plus here, give it a name, for example production. And select repository type SQL Server, and we need to enter the server name, and in this case I just copy it. Here's the server name, paste it, and select the database from the drop-down box. We might also need to provide username and password, but in this case it's not really necessary. So let's click OK. And what we need to do now, we need to click reconnect. Please pay attention to the top. See, we now connected to different repository. And we click design, we will see all these repository objects. There is another way of doing that. If you go to file system on the existing computer where everything is connected already, you can copy options in your file, and it holds all the interface settings, and you can copy a repository folder which holds list of connections and current connection. That will also save you some time. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please go to support forum. We'll do our best to help you. And please like and subscribe. Thank you, bye.